Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're here to inspire you with creative ideas for home decor and DIY projects. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates, tips, and exclusive content. Join our community and start transforming your home and income today. Today, we're exploring how wood furniture can be a smart way to generate income while beautifying your home. Handmade wooden pieces are highly sought after, offering a perfect blend of craftsmanship and creativity that adds warmth to any space. Creating custom wood furniture can become a lucrative business. By designing unique tables, chairs, or shelves, you can attract clients who value quality and originality. Starting small with personalized items allows you to build a reputation and expand your craft into a sustainable income source. Using reclaimed or recycled wood not only benefits the environment but also reduces costs. This sustainable approach appeals to eco-conscious customers. Plus, it adds a rustic charm to your furniture, making each piece special and full of character, perfect for trendy home decor styles. Homeowners love decorating with handcrafted wood furniture because it radiates authenticity and warmth. Incorporate your handmade pieces into your interior design for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Selling these items online or at local markets can turn your passion into profit while enhancing your living space. Marketing your wood furniture business through social media is essential. Share your process, before and after photos, and customer reviews. Engaging content attracts more buyers and increases your brand visibility, helping you grow your income while establishing a reputation for quality craftsmanship. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in our content. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to stay updated with new ideas, tips, and DIY projects. Your encouragement motivates us to bring more creative inspiration to help you craft and decorate.